Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this series. The objective now is they want to run this like this, but see how they would, and the white was kind of, and that's one reason I removed the white. If they engraved both these items, that's what it's going to look like. The car would intermingle with the capital. And just by a small world coincidence, this is from Austin, Texas, where I live outside of, and I was born and raised in Austin. So what we're going to do, and if you look, we've got this car and the weld tools don't show up. Well, you can actually go to object and put a boundary around it, even though it doesn't show up. And then we can nudge that boundary out of the way. Now, the other way to do that, and that's really handy to be able to do that. If you don't remember that, you've got to break this thing apart or ungroup it for the weld to show up, and then your boundary shows up. So either way, now we need to cut out that part of the capital because we want the car in front of it. So if we will just, I'm pretty sure this is a group, yep. Select it all and go right here to trim, and it trimmed out that part of the car. Now take your boundary away and move this over here. Whoop, I didn't have it. Remember, I ungrouped it. So group it back and move it over there. So now the car looks like it's in front of the capital, and they could run this twice. And the reason for running something twice, I'm going to unlock now my yellow box. And let's say this is your page size. I can't imagine that being the laser size. I'm going to Control G for a minute and put it in the center of the page. The bed size is not even 12. But let's say his page is laser could be 12 or 24 by 12. I'm just guessing. So there's your laser size, and you've got a piece of wood. Well, let's just make a rectangle. And you've got a piece of wood right there. Well, if I was going to run this twice, I'd put the wood right in the corner. I would nudge the frame out of the way for a second. I would ungroup this. And then that way the capital, I'm going to leave my board off the way. If I was going to do this for me, I would move my car off the page, and I would engrave all this in a, whatever power, whatever speed you think looks good. And the good thing about it, if it's not quite deep enough or black enough, you could run it again. And then move that out of the way and move this right. I'm just nudging, so it's right back where it was. And then you could run this at a higher speed or lower power, and it would kind of look like this when you're done. That's the objective. To make, it's going to be black, but it's going to be a lesser black than the capital, so it's going to kind of show off. I hope that made sense, and thank you for watching.